Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL. 9:57 AM CST Tuesday, December 31st, 2024. Lauderdale, Colbert, Limestone, Madison, Jackson, DeKalb, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Scottsboro, Athens, Rainsville, Sheffield, Cowan, Winchester, Decherd, Fort Payne, Muscle Shoals, Tuscumbia, Huntsville, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Sewanee, Florence, and Estill Springs. 9:57 AM CST Tuesday, December 31st, 2024. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. CST this evening. Watt. West winds 15 to 20 mph with gusts up to 35 mph expected. Where in Alabama, Limestone, Madison, DeKalb, Jackson, Colbert, and Lauderdale counties. In Tennessee, Franklin, TN, Lincoln, and Moore counties. When until 6 p.m. CST this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution and